Hello and welcome to a new episode of my Python Coding Challenge series. Today we will discover how to solve last week's challenge in one line, so make sure to check that video out first if you haven't already done so. I'll leave a link to it in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description. Now the solution I will show you today is actually quite simple, so let's take it in steps. First, let's write a simple function that we know for sure will work. We can say, for example, def mid of string, and then we can say a equals len of string, and then let's say if a modulus 2 equals 0, in other words, if a is even, we can print an asterisk. Else, we can say that index is equal to a integer division 2, and that will give us the character in the middle of our string. Then we can say that character is equal to string of index. And finally, print character. Now if we run our code by pressing the F5 key, we can test it by writing mid of ABC, and that will give us the letter B. If instead we write mid of ABCD, so our string is now an even length, you can see that it returns an asterisk correctly. Now that we have confirmed that our code works correctly, here comes the interesting part. We need to reduce this entire function to just one line. So let's start by applying a few simplifications, such as replacing the index with a over 2. So we can remove this and put it inside of here, and that will get rid of one line. Then we can replace the character variable entirely with the syntax it represents. So we can say print string a integer division 2. The last variable we can substitute is of course a, which we can replace with len of string. So we can copy this and put it inside of here as well as inside of here, and we can get rid of a. We have now reduced our function down to a simple if-else statement. Before we continue, if you wish to learn more about if-else statements, I'll leave a link to my tutorial videos in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description. Also, if you're enjoying this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Have you done it yet? Good! Then let's return to our solution. I will now show you a little trick you can use with if-else statements. You can take the action of the if statement, in this case print asterisk, followed by the if condition itself. So we can cut this out of here and paste it straight after the print statement. Then we can say else, and then paste in the second action. As you can see, this syntax is still easy to read, but has the benefit of being written in a single line. Also, as I'm sure you have all guessed, this is the solution to the challenge. I hope many of you were successful in writing a similar piece of code. If not, if your solution is different to this, then write it out in the comments down below. I'd love to see what you came up with. Having said that, don't forget to check out my tutorial videos and previous coding challenges by clicking on the box in the top right-hand corner of your screen or on the links in the video description. I look forward to seeing you next week for a new video, and as always, happy coding!